What should a patient expect during and after wisdom teeth removal?
During wisdom teeth removal, a vast majority of my patients, probably around 97–98%, sleep through the procedure. This allows the procedure to be done in a way that's very safe as well as very comfortable for the patient. In the vast majority of these cases, people wake up in our recovery room and ask, has the procedure even been done yet? Patients are monitored extensively during anesthesia, during oral maxillofacial surgery procedures. We have monitors that allow us to read the amount of oxygen within the patient's blood. We also monitor the patient's rate and rhythm of breathing, as well as their heart rhythms, blood pressure, often their CO2 output, and their pulse rates. This allows the procedures to be done very safely. We do everything possible to minimize the patient's swelling as well as discomfort after wisdom teeth removal. We do this by providing appropriate medications. Additionally, if there are any complications, one of our doctors is on call 24 hours a day to assist you. After wisdom teeth removal, we request that you take the day of the procedure off and at least 2 days afterwards. This is to allow you to be on narcotic pain medications for around 3 days. Subsequent to that, often people are able to return to ibuprofen as well as Tylenol and go about their normal daily activities.